Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Here's a recipe for a delicious chocolate ice cream cake. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups granulated sugar, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1½ teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 cup boiling water. For the ice cream layer: 1. 5 liters of chocolate ice cream. For the ganache: 1 cup heavy cream, 8 ounces semi-sweet chocolate, finely chopped. Optional toppings: whipped cream, chocolate shavings, cherries. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix well. Add the eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract to the dry ingredients. Mix until well combined. The batter will be thin. Stir in the boiling water gradually, starting with a small amount and gradually increasing. Mix until the batter is smooth. The batter will still be thin. Pour the batter evenly into the prepared cake pans. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Remove the cakes from the oven and allow them to cool in the pans for about 10 minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once the cakes have cooled, take the chocolate ice cream out of the freezer and let it soften for a few minutes until it's easily spreadable. Place one cake layer on a serving plate or cake stand. Spread an even layer of softened chocolate ice cream on top of the cake. Place the second cake layer on top of the ice cream and press it down gently to secure it. In a small saucepan, heat the heavy cream over medium heat until it begins to simmer. Remove from heat and add the chopped chocolate. Stir until the chocolate is melted and the ganache is smooth. Allow the ganache to cool slightly, then pour it over the assembled cake, letting it drip down the sides. Place the cake in the freezer for at least 2 hours, or until the ice cream has firmed up again. Before serving, you can decorate the cake with whipped cream, chocolate shavings, and cherries if desired. Slice and serve the chocolate ice cream cake chilled. Enjoy. Note: if you prefer a different flavor of ice cream, feel free to substitute it for the chocolate ice cream in this recipe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you delicious recipes I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.